सिंपल फंडा है, जो डेटा कंट्रोल करता है वही गेम कंट्रोल करता है। So no overnight, no fake motivation, just high demand skill and real growth. Career में growth चाहिए, then stop scrolling and start learning business analytics, because reality check ये है कि companies को hard working नहीं, smart लोग चाहिए जो डेटा को समझे and results बना सके। इस कोर्स में आप सीखोगे एडवांस एक्सेल, that is pivot charts, XLOOKUPs, dashboards and reports. Next level पे आएगा Power BI, which is visuals, filters, Power Query and text functions. और core skill है SQL database, that is data management and Power BI connectivity. बनाओगे real world projects, complete portfolio and साथ में resume and profile building भी। Only at Future Vision Computer Institute since 2006, more than 20 years experience with one-on-one mentorship, 100% practical training. Branches located at Vesu, Pal and Citylight. So contact us now.